Hi, I'm Dan Donaldson from Urbanistica, and I want to spend 3 minutes showing you how easy it is to make a Craigslist hyperlocal using our service. I'm just choosing some options to take me to the city of Toronto here, looking at the default screen, and I'm going to ask Urbanistica to send me to a particular location, which I do with this menu, and I'll set the city and an address, which in this case is just an intersection. And this is where a condominium that I'm saying I'm renting, I'm just using an ad from Craigslist to show you, is. So Urbanistica will take me there, and I'm going to go now to Craigslist where we can see all the ads. Mine is lost among the group. There's my condominium. So I'm going to copy its URL for what we're going to do in a moment, and we're going to return to Urbanistica. Now I'm telling Urbanistica by clicking on my location that I want to create a broadcast area. This is an area that inside of which people can receive or can see the message that I'm about to post. I'll adjust its size so that anybody drifting through with a mobile phone or checking out that area on Urbanistica will find my ad, and it tells me I'm ready to broadcast. I click on the area to freeze it and click once again to bring up the menu that allows me to broadcast an announcement. And so I've got the broadcast announcement pane here. I'm typing in a short piece of text that tells people a little bit about the ad, telling them it's on Craigslist. And when I'm done that, I'll provide my email. Now you'll notice I'm not logged in. I'm not a registered user. I'm simply using this. So I'm going to provide an email. And having pasted in the URL, it's recognized it's a Craigslist ad and set the category to Craigslist. Now I'm adding some tags, and once I've done that, I can make a couple of last choices. These tags will tell people a little bit more about the ad. I can say that I want to have email responses and I want to show people where the location is, and that's it. That's all I have to do, except for one more step, which involves the email. I have to, as that confirmation said, go to my email client, check my mail, I'll see my message, and I'll get a confirm link, which I can just drag to the browser or click on, and it'll tell me I'm confirmed. Great. I'll return to the map by just hitting the back button. I'm back in this familiar location. Now if anybody comes along and clicks near the area, they'll find themselves in the area that my ad is in. They'll see my ad. They can click on find the location of it with a little blue flag, and they can open up the link and see the Craigslist ad. My ad is no longer lost among all the others. It's sitting there, at the location that I said, and people looking in that location will find it. The person who's found it is now replying to me saying they'd like to know more or they'd like to take the apartment. So I've created a hyperlocal version of a Craigslist ad in just 3 minutes. And in fact, in that 3 minutes, showing you how someone coming to Craigslist would then find the ad and respond to me. I hope you found that interesting. Anyone can use Urbanistica. It's a free service. Here the person is just going to reply to me with their email, and I'm going to get that apartment rented. So can you. Come on down to www.urbanistica.ca as I talk over the last bit of this process. And I'm Dan Donaldson, the creator. Thanks for watching. Hope this was interesting.